in the seat, ready to go out for the first drivers. I am the first driver, so yeah, looking forward to it. Anyway, watch on, I'll get you loads of action. See you in a bit. Circuit, check this out. I ain't gonna even walk down there. That is down in 99th place, or sorry, 100 cars out on circuit, so 100th place is back there, and we are there in 37th. There's a lot of cars in front of us, so we've got to chase and see what we can do. But yeah, there is a cars out there, and it's going to be a good guy. So yeah, watch on. Keep it on, see how we should be good.
You know, some of us, we've got to sit on this garage as well.
Well done, lads.
You didn't come all the way up here to just sit here.
Engine off, lights out. Extinguisher. Okay then. Open.
you a quick update of how we're doing. We are sitting, actually, just as I come in, sitting P45th. Dropped, obviously as soon as you go in for a pit, you drop down. We dropped down as low as P60. Andy's got back out, got out of the car. I'm a little bit gutted with my times because obviously I felt in testing I could have gone quicker. I didn't quite. I think I got exactly the same best time I got in my stint as I did in my testing. So it was literally exactly the same time. Still the fastest out there at the moment in our team, but Andy's going really consistent. He's out there now, took over from me, and he's gone out and he's just increasing and jumping places. We're only one lap off the lead lap, 21 hours left to go, and he's up into 40th place. So out of 100 cars, P40 at the moment. 21 hours to go, all to play. Let's see how far we can get up. We've got a couple of little secret weapons in a minute. We haven't got no weak driver, that is the thing. We've got 4 really good drivers. Tommy is like a little secret weapon, and Darren is a little weapon around this circuit as well. So watch on, and we'll let you know how we get on. And I'm confident we can do really well. The aim was top 50. If we carry on the way we're doing, that is going to be ours at least. So let's see what we can do. Yeah, that's forgot. It's like that's going to be horrible for the internet. Jeez. So I'm about to go back out, emergency at about 10 o'clock. I think Tommy's been involved in an accident. We've got black flags as well, so we're changing the fuse in the car. All kinds of problems, but I've got to go out now. So yeah, catching you in a bit. Sorry guys. It's currently nearly 3 o'clock in the morning. I've gone out for 2 stints, and yeah, we're still out there, but we're not doing anywhere near as well as we would have hoped. Tommy had a big off. Was caught in a gravel trap for about 10-15 minutes, and also we had a stop and go 3-minute penalty for myself. Apparently red light was on at the end of where you scan your wristband. Well, I think it's bollocks if I'm honest. Yeah, but that was only a very little thing, and then the other thing was we got a 3-lap penalty as well for ignoring a flag. Apparently that was Tommy again, so Tommy's racked up some good points. But no, we were still out there, and do you know what? I thought we'd be in like something like 80th place out of 100, and I think we're still in 67th, so we're doing well. And there's still 15 hours left at the end of the day, so it's a what do they call it? It's a marathon, not a sprint. So yeah, watch on and see how we get on. Yeah, so far not as good as we hoped, but we're still going. I managed to get my head down for a little bit, and I woke back up. I think I went to bed about 4 o'clock in the morning. Obviously, as I said or probably explained, we've had loads and loads of issues, and then ended up fighting. Darren ended up fighting to get to about P53, which is good, all things considered, and what's been happening, and then only to have go over the maximum driver stint allowance, and then get a 10-lap penalty, which is quite harsh, and then have a real wheel bearing failure as well. So yeah, not good. We're still in something like 73rd, which we should be happy with, but I think we're all deep down very gutted. But you know, oh well, this is endurance racing. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm going to have a cup of coffee now since I've woke up, and I'm struggling. It's so fucking cold as well. Yeah, I'm going to go out for another stint in the car in about, I think, 2 hours time-ish. Yeah, going to get some porridge and some coffee in me, and yeah, watch on. Just been a huge hit near the pit. Garage is just outside, massive hit. 2 cars, big hit. Unfortunately, Team USA, which is not good because they're with us in our garage. It's a shame. Yeah, not good. As I said, there was a massive off from Team USA. I'll show you around how bad it is. They're going to try and get the car back out. We've got 8 hours-ish left, so I'll flip it around.
Physically okay? You're physically okay?
We've got the greatest ironmonger in Silverstone. That's the way to do it.
I need a 3-hour sleep.
Just so you're wondering, we've fallen down the order down to about 81st. Reason being is we've had another 10-lap penalty for drivers exceeding the stint duration allowance, which is 3 hours. I think we've had 2 drivers, Tommy and Darren. I'm going to name and shame you boys. Tut tut. Yeah. Yeah, 10 lap penalties killing us, 20 laps penalties. But yeah, Team USA have got the car back out. Let's check the screen in, they're out. But yeah, they've done really well. You just seen from the footage inside, it's just fucking epic, brilliant. But yeah, I'm going to go out for one more stint. I don't know for how long, because I've not had much time out in the car as such. And now the stints have kind of all changed place and whatnot. But it is what it is, and that's endurance racing for you. So yeah, watch on and we'll see what else and what other footage we can get for you. And yeah, try and see if we can improve on 81st.
Yeah, no, it's right.
Much done. We're just going to make our way to the pit wall to see the rest of the last bit of the race. But yeah, it looks as though we're going to make the end of the race, which is epic. Sitting in P72, which is all good. Yeah, I think there's about 5 minutes left. And obviously when you've finished a race, you've got to have a celebratory beer. So why not celebrating with these boys? It's these guys' first ever race in the C1, and I think some of their first races ever. Did really, really well as well. So yeah, celebrating after 24 hours hard graft. Yeah, happy days. Cheers. So that's it. Finished P72. Not where we wanted to finish, with lots of problems, but we finished at the end of the day. So yeah, here's to another 24-hour race done. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the little video showing you around the paddocks and a few things that's going on. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. See you again in the next one. Bye for now.